Blue Swallow Motel during the day. I took one at night, and they have a lot of artwork over here, which I'm gonna look at. I saw a bunch of kids here last night. There's some picnic tables, a nice grill over there. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. You can cook a huge steak in here and boil water. Anyway, here's the artwork that's in these things. If I back up, it's part of a garage, and these are the rooms. At one time, you could park your car in here, but they use it for just to paint stuff on it now. It's become a tourist attraction. Here's that Bob Waldmeyer character that's famous for Route 66. And here's a mural. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hello, how are you?
I'm pretty good. I'm just making a documentary of your place.
You looked in the garages?
Yeah, I did. I'm very impressed by what you've done here. Where's the car's garage? Easy Rider. That's a nice mural.